Are you having trouble generating instantaneous hot water at a precise temperature and overall a wide range of water flow rates? The PIC Variable Flow Direct Steam Injection Heater mixes medium to high pressure steam with cold water. The PIC system injects steam into the liquid through hundreds of small orifices in the injection tube. These fine bubbles of steam are instantly absorbed by the liquid, resulting in 100% heat transfer and accurate temperature control. The variable flow system is ideal for replacing inefficient heat exchangers, storage tanks, steam spargers, and problematic individual steam-water mixing stations. The PIC variable flow is used to accommodate wide variations in demand in frequent start-stop applications, and is ideally suited as a central heating system for multiple use points, such as hose washdown stations and plant sanitation. Standard systems can easily handle 12-to-1 water flow turndown, or be designed with dual control valves for up to 100-to-1 water flow turndown. It's also great for jar and can topping, product washing, filter back flushing, freezer coil defrosting, and tank filling. PIC is the only direct steam injection company to offer a true instantaneous variable flow central water heating system offering low noise level, low liquid pressure drop, and rapid response to process changes. PIC Heaters, dependable and precise process heating solutions since 1945.